Today is Friday, February 12th, 11:40. I came here on business and I am denied access to a public building on a public sidewalk because I have a cell phone. He says no member of the public can come in with a cell phone. I want to know why I can't come into this building without a cell phone, because that's against my First Amendment right, which any other American citizen is too. Because we have the right to freedom of movement, travel, property, pursue happiness. These guys, this building right here is taking it from us. We're on a public sidewalk. This is public. I am the public. I want to go in. I want to go in and conduct business in this wonderful building, but I am not allowed to, because by law there's no cell phones or anything permitted at this building. This court officer in there, when I walked in through the door, asked me if I had a cell phone. I said yes. He said, well, I had to leave the building. If I don't put it in my car, I can't come in with it. And I told him that's violated my First Amendment right. And he asked me if I would like to speak to a judge, which I asked him if I was being detained. He told me no. So I kindly turned around and walked away. Now, I'm not obstructing any views here. I'm not letting anybody go pass through me. It's freely. Nobody's even outside. But I need to know if what they're doing is legal. Because to my knowledge, I'm just a citizen trying to go into a courtroom to hear a case. Look at this. They parked in a no handicap zone. I'm gonna walk over here, get some license plates numbers. Get some license plates. It's cold. Check this out. In a handicap parking. Now, do you think, because he's an officer, or they work for police, that it's right for them to do this? It's right for them to do this. Look at the sign right there, right in front of him. He can't say he did not see it getting out of his vehicle. Alright? So, we're just gonna give you a view here on what the officer sees when he gets out the vehicle. He sees a big handicap sign there. Now I'm wondering if there's any citizens that need this parking right now, because us taxpayers have paid this. Now, there's a car seat in a state trooper car. Why is that? Isn't this for criminals? Nothing on the meter. Nothing on the meter. Stickers expired, and he's pulling over people, giving tickets in this thing. And now, tell me, is this something you're willing to pay for, Fitchburg? A man was arrested yesterday, thrown on the ground because he had no license, held without bail because he has no license. Now, is this right for them to do this to a male that has no license, and your tax dollars are going to this? So city officials parking and doing whatever they want. Now, you might think this is just small, but check out where everything else happens.
Hey, you seen that expression sticker?
Yeah, I got the expression stickers. Hey, sir, aren't you the guy that got arrested for driving without a license?
Yep.
Thrown on the ground with violence, right?
Yep.
They called everybody on you from DSS, everybody on you? Everybody, right? And look at these officers. How do you feel about this here?
And illegal parking on the
Legal parking on handicapped property right here on a public right of way. And then the trooper in front of them. Well, I don't know even if it is a trooper, because there's a for sale sign there on there. And then there's no plates indicating he's a policeman, but there, right there, police interpreter. And then his expired inspection sticker. Hey, look at him right there. How you doing, sir? You have any words for the camera? You just paid that ticket, right? You just paid the meter for the car?
I just paid the meter.
Is that your vehicle?
The truck is, yeah.
The truck is?
Big truck, yeah.
Oh, okay. I'm sorry, sir.
That should be legit, right?
Yeah. I'm sorry, sir. Hey, look at. Hey, can I have your name and badge number, sir?
Yeah, it's also Boudreaux. Badge number is 120.
Boudreaux 120.
Yep.
He can park in a handicap. Look at that. Tax-paying dollars. Look at him. Look at him. Real good public servant.
Sir, if you must know, we're setting
Real
up a
good
shelter.
public
We're setting
servant.
up a shelter for
But
the
that does
homeless.
not matter, sir. That does not matter, sir.
Thank you.
That's my tax dollars paying for this. And then look at your trooper car over there has an expired inspection sticker. Do you want to drive him a ticket for that?
Sir, I'm a Fitchburg police officer. No.
Oh, so you don't want to drive? Oh, but you will give me a ticket for that. You will give me a ticket for that. You'll give the city of Fitchburg's. Oh, sir. Yup, I'm on the sidewalk. You just don't want to be right. Because you're wrong. You're wrong, officer. You're wrong. Yup. Just another hard day of work in Fitchburg. Yup. Another hard day of work in Fitchburg. Yes. Yes, it is. Another hard day of work. They working hard over here. Pulling people over. Inspection stickers gone. But if it was me, we would all get arrested. How you doing, sir?
Good, and yourself?
Good. We're out in Fitchburg. A real normal day around here. How you doing? Yeah. Denied us access to this public building on public sidewalk. But as you can see, police officers can do whatever they want on these public streets. How you doing, sir? Do you know if you have a cell phone you can't come in here?
Huh?
If you have a cell phone, they say you can't come in here. What you feel about that?
I think that shit sucks, man.
Right? Don't you feel that's a violating your First Amendment right?
Yes, sir.
Aren't you an American? Aren't you free? Guilt of proven innocent to proven guilty?
Yeah.
Aren't you? So aren't you just admitting that you're kind of guilty just because they won't let you in with a cell phone?
Yes, sir. I'll be back a little bit then.
Yes, sir. This is crazy. We're all American citizens here. Now I don't understand why I can't bring my cell phone, my property, inside with me. It's my property. Can anybody help me with this? I understand. What else are they gonna take from us? What other rights are you gonna allow them to take you from you before you do anything? Now, nobody has come out here to say nothing, say that, I have to leave, anything. It's almost 10 minutes into the video. It's because what they're doing is wrong, and they know it's wrong.